Autumn is right around the corner and coffee shops across the country are already selling pumpkin spice lattes. However, this fall favorite can easily be made in the comfort of your own home with a few simple baking ingredients. During our first attempt to make pumpkin spice lattes in our office, we made the mistake of overloading them with spices.
What's wrong with it? Everything. Like, the cloves burn the back of my throat. I mean, it smells dreadful.
But our second try proved that the recipe is just as good as Starbucks, maybe even better.
It's warm. Guys, feels like home.
We first placed a half teaspoon of cinnamon in an empty mug before adding a pinch of ground nutmeg, a pinch of ground cloves, and a pinch of ground ginger. After stirring the spices, we placed 2 teaspoons of brown sugar and 2 teaspoons of pumpkin puree in the mug. Then we added 1 cup of hot coffee and stirred vigorously. Finally, we added 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a glass of milk before heating the drink in the microwave for 20 seconds to make sure it was piping hot.
Ta-da! Okay.
Because of the abundance of spices, we recommend using a sieve to sift out the leftover sediment. This seasonal drink is warm and inviting, however it is definitely easier to run to your local Starbucks. But for those who are entertaining friends or looking for a natural substitute to the sugary syrups found in most recipes, this is definitely worth making.
Well done us. Good job, well done.